In this video, we're going to be looking at an amazing AI music generation tool called Uberduck AI. With Uberduck AI, you can make music with AI vocals. The process is very simple. You just choose an AI generated beat. Then you either generate the lyrics or put in your own lyrics. You choose a voice that you want to rap over those lyrics, and then it generates a song that you can download and use for anything that you like. If you'd like to see a quick demonstration of how Uberduck AI works, stick around and I'll show you right now. I've seen a lot of Uberduck AI videos going viral on social media, especially on the vertical video formats like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. The great thing is you can use Uberduck AI for free. If you have a look on their pricing page, they have a free forever plan and it allows you 300 render credits per month. So you can use this for non-commercial use. So if you want to make a fun birthday song for one of your friends, or you just want to muck around with it. If you want to use this for commercial use, so you want to actually use these tracks and sell them or monetize them, there is a paid program. It's about $100 a year. If you'd like to try out Uberduck AI, make sure you use the link that I've left in the description and the pinned comment of this video. So these are AI generated beats. Let's have a listen to a couple and then pick one that we like. I'm going to use this burn rate one. It's a bit of a trap sounding hip hop tune. If you have a paid plan on Uberduck, you can actually upload your own beats. So that's really cool. You can like source beats from somewhere or beats that you have created, and you can just get someone to rap over your beat. So I'm going to select this one here, and then I'm going to go next. You can use an AI prompt to create your lyrics, or you can upload your own. I'm going to say rap about how good pickles are, and I'm going to generate the lyrics. So it's written here: pickles, oh pickles, the perfect green crunch, sour and tangy, they make my taste buds brunch. Like a flavor explosion, they hit the spots. I can never have just one shot. All right, perfect. So now we pick a voice. So they come with a bunch of generated voices. With the paid plan, you can actually create with your own voice, which is really cool. So you can have, I think what you do is you just talk about one page worth of text into your microphone. So then it has a sample of your voice, and then it'll create a voice that can sing for you of your own voice. So it's pretty cool.
Trends in my pocket, stuff in
Stop
my
posting about Among Us. I'm tired of seeing it.
Big G, I reckon that's probably a little shout out to Biggie Smalls. Let's try that one and generate the rap. So when this is finished, we should have Biggie Smalls rapping about how good pickles are.
Pickles, though pickles, the perfect green crunch, sour and tangy, they make my taste buzz brunch. Like a flavor explosion, they hit the spot. So addictive, I can never have just one shot.
For full access.
So that's my ridiculous rap beat about pickles that I generated in just 1 minute. You can actually download this video, or you can share it to your social media. You can prank your friends. There is an audio watermark at the end if you're using the free version. So if you want to remove that audio watermark, you just have to upgrade to a paid plan. With these ones, I usually, when I'm using them, I just do the monthly. So I just pay for 1 month. And then if I'm not really using it after 1 month, I'll just cancel the plan. But I've had some of these go viral on one of my TikTok accounts. And basically what I do is on that TikTok account, I have a little link in the description of my TikTok bio, and that links to the affiliate program of Uberduck. So if I get a video that has 1 million views, I might get like 50 or 100 signups through my bio on TikTok. And then of those 100 signups, usually about 10% of them go on to use the paid plan. So that's a way you can actually make money with this kind of content. So that concludes my review of Uberduck AI. You can make music with AI vocals. I hope you enjoyed that content. But apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.